Welcome to the ultimate dream cottage, where modern farmhouse meets fairy tale charm. The living room. Warm up by this stunning stone fireplace, the perfect spot for cozy evenings and relaxation. The kitchen, a chef's dream. This kitchen perfectly balances rustic wood beams with sleek, modern finishes. The laundry. Who knew laundry day could be this aesthetic? Industrial vibes and organized bliss. The bedroom. Rest easy in this serene sanctuary, filled with soft textures and peaceful natural light. The bathroom. Soak away the stress in this spa-like retreat, featuring a breathtaking view.